In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download sales reports on Payhip. If you want to keep a record of your sales, review your monthly performance, or simply save a copy of your reports for accounting and bookkeeping, Payhip makes that process very straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find your sales reports and how to download them as a PDF. To begin, head over to your Payhip dashboard and make sure you're logged into your account. The dashboard is your main control center where you can manage your products, customers, and store activity. Once you're on the dashboard, look through the navigation menu and click on Customers. After you open the Customers section, the next thing you need to do is click on Sales Reports. This is the area where Payhip organizes report data related to the sales you've made. If you're looking for a simple monthly summary, this is the section you'll want to use. At this point, if you already have sales reports available in your account, you'll be able to continue right away. If reports have been generated, you should see them listed here. Payhip displays generated reports for the sales you have made each month, which makes it easy to review your earnings over time without having to manually compile the information yourself. Take a moment to look through the available reports and find the month you want to access. This is especially helpful if you're comparing performance across different time periods or downloading records for a specific month. Once you find the report you need, click the View or Download button. This will let you download a PDF copy of your sales report. Saving the report as a PDF is useful because it gives you a clean, easy-to-share version that you can store on your computer, upload to cloud storage, or send to an accountant if needed. Before you finish, it's a good idea to open the downloaded file and make sure everything looks correct. That way you can confirm you downloaded the right month and that the PDF saved properly. And that's it. As long as your reports are available, the process is quick. Go to your Payhip dashboard, open Customers, select Sales Report, and use the View or Download option to save the PDF. This is a simple way to stay organized and keep track of your sales history on Payhip.